Hello and welcome to Magic AutoCAD. In this part of tutorial, we are going to learn how to use the Wipeout command. So let's consider a surface like this. We want to draw on this surface. We want to wipe out a part on this surface. Then you go under the draw panel. Then you drop down, or you type in WI. Then you're going to see the Wipeout command. Then click on the Wipeout command. Then go straight to the portion where you want to wipe out. Then you make your drawing, okay, your close poly. So just draw wherever you want to wipe out. Just draw the shape, okay. Then if you're done, you click the enter button. So you see that this part has been wiped out. In order to hide this borderline, you can go back to the wipeout. Then on the command line, you're going to see frame. You click on the frame and you turn it off, okay. Then you will see that the borderline has been wiped out, has been hidden. And if you want to show it back, go back under the draw, then you click on wipe out, then frame, and you turn it on. Again, you can also use the polyline to create a wipe out, okay. You draw whatever shape you want to draw, so it depends all on you. Maybe you want to draw a map, anything, any shape you want to draw, okay. Then in case the snap points disturbs you, you can go down to the snap and turn off, okay. Turn off all these snaps. Then now we can close this poly. Sorry for the pop-up. Then you click on wipe out, enter, then you select the polyline and enter. So you see that you wiped out this space. Again, you can also use an object like a rectangle to have a defined shape, okay. Then press somewhere there, then you go back to wipe out, enter, don't forget to enter please. Then you click on, then enter to have it like that. Another command, let's try the circle to see. You draw a circle, then you go to wipe out, enter, click on circle, then enter. Here you see that the wipe out doesn't wipe a circle, okay. You see that the wipe out doesn't wipe a circle. So in order to create a circular shape, we use a polygon. So you click on a polygon, and the number of sides here will be 1024. That's 1024. Enter. That is the maximum number of sides given by AutoCAD to a polygon. Then you click, then you come here, you're gonna take inscribe in circle, okay. Then you click at the second point, or you give a diameter. Then now you move to the wipe out, then enter, then you select, enter again. So you will see that we've created. So this shape here is not actually a circle, it's circular. Okay, it's a polygon that looks like a circle. So thanks very much guys for watching. See you in our next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.